All right, we're gonna go on a little scouting mission. My main camp pack is here. My gear set up is my camp, but there are times when I want to go scout for resources, things of that nature. And so I'm going to use what I consider my minimal bushcraft kit. Some people call it something else, but that's what I call it. It's a minimal kit. I got my knife and my ferro rod, another knife, another knife, another knife in this pocket, a lighter in this pocket. So I've got both fire and cutting, or cutting and combustion covered, if you will. Speaking of cover, I've got another trash bag, drum liner. Sometimes I use my 5x7 Mest. I didn't have it with me this time, but I always carry those in my bag. My container full of water. So if we're looking at, I guess I do have the 5Cs. So container, cover, cordage. I got a hank of cordage, cutting and combustion. So 5Cs if you want to go that route. But this is full of water. So I can drink it on the way, and then if I need to, I can use it to have a fire to get me some more. And then I've got a hank of cordage. Actually, I've got two different ones. I've got the orange, I've got the tan. They've come undone, but that's all right. The white, or light tan, if you will, is a used iPhone cord just to keep my phone charged, and I've got a battery in there as well. My notebook, handy dandy notebook, and then my personal first aid kit. Don't know what's going to happen, but it's one of those things where I don't want to take the chance of me being stupid. And then one of the bears is trying to go, but, well, too bad. So all that's in my nice little oilskin haversack. This is created by Tim and Matt over at Reliance Leatherworks. Great guys, great gear. Oilskin. This is a coconut shell button, which is awesome. I haven't seen one with a tie down in this fashion. So, I've seen some with the clips and all that. I know Hidden Woodsman's got some that it's got a little buckle to it, and some other folks have some others. I know that my big one doesn't have a button on it, so I like the secure on that. So let's take that. We've got our stuff. Let's go scout.